Okay. 2020 and I'm in front of the camera. I'm not gonna make the same mistakes as I did last year in promising video after video after video, because it didn't happen and I've become a better man. So I'm not making empty promises, but if you do see me in front of a camera, if you do see me in front of your screens, just show your support, show your love, leave a like, leave a comment. And shout out to you guys that have already been doing that. I've been a ghost on this platform and some of you guys are still been subscribing and messaging me and even DMing me on Insta like, where you at, Shegz? So I appreciate all of that love, and I'm gonna try and show that love back to you guys by bringing out content that you will enjoy and like. That being said, I've got a shoe today that, quite frankly, I don't want to even review, but I'm only doing it because I know a lot of you guys might want to see if there's any differences between what we've seen before and see if this shoe's actually worth copying. This pair that I have right now is not even in my size and it's already gone for 200% profit, but it is what it is. So you got a Supreme Nike collab, an Air Force One. A lot of pictures were surfacing the internet and I didn't want to believe it was true. I didn't want to believe that these shoes were just a traditional white on white Air Force One or black and black Air Force One with a Supreme logo on it. That's exactly what it is. It's a white on white Air Force One with a Supreme logo on it. Somebody bought this pair for £300 off me. Retail is £95. The standard Air Force One is about between £70 and £80 depending on where you buy it from these days. It's actually just a white on white Air Force One. I mean, do you know what? Let's get into the review. Let's get into a little review, yeah? Okay. So you have a white outsole. Air in there. Yep. Air Forces have an air unit in them. Well, I like to think they do. A white upper, all leather. Supreme logo at the back, as you can see. And it says Supreme Air Force One on this lace metal thing, whatever they call it. Okay, on the insole, it says Supreme on the insole. White standard Air Force One laces. Okay, I'll give it to them. They did put these red laces that say Supreme in white all around. Also says on the aglets, but I mean, if I ever see anyone wear these with these red laces, don't chat to me. We are not boys. Don't even subscribe to me or watch my videos, because that is not cool. That's just moist, and that's the highest level of hype beastery. We don't condone that here. But yeah, I want you guys to tell me, what's the difference between these and these? Yes, these are mids, yeah, they're mid Air Force One, white, yeah. But in terms of materials, these things are identical. Like, the leather quality, I thought at least like let the leather be plush, you know. Let's be able to play with it. You can't play with this. This thing is as stiff as a brick. If I push it down, it might chisel off. This ain't it. This ain't it. And that's the end of the review. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you leave a like, a comment, subscribe if you can, please. And yeah, I hope to bring more content for you guys in 2020. It's me, Sheggz, the Air Force One. Please, Supreme, do better with the Nike collabs, because you did a lot of cool shoes, but this one for me lacked creativity. This one lacked a lot of creativity, but it is what it is. It's still a decent shoe. At the end of the day, it is an Air Force One, all white. So, I mean, if someone gave me a pair for free, I would rock it. I would wear it by all means, because it's just white. But not because it has this at the back. It's because it's just a white on white Air Force One. So Supreme, do better with your creativity, man. A lot of people got into the brand because Supreme was different. Like, it was creative. But I guess they're just too big for us now, aren't it? They're the biggest brand in streetwear, so they can get away with doing things like this. But it is what it is. On to the next one.